Many people are making money from DePIN and Node projects just by farming them. So in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step and what you to know about projects, Node project and DePIN projects. There are some of the stage you see those projects which we don't need to farm them. So we have some types of we have potential stage, we have rewardable, uh, we have verification and other things. So in today's video, I'm breaking into steps in step by step, or I breaking it through how you should able to know and what you should able to do before you farm any new project, because that project it is very it's not risky, but sometimes it costs to pay money before. Maybe you don't know, but I'm going to show you today. And there are some of the things you need to do in that project before you be eligible. The pin project and node projects are very hard to farm them. It's not easy. Look at those projects, grass and other those down in those projects. It's not easy to farm them. It's not like that. The testnet app we are so in today's video, I'm going to show step by step how you can access them and some of the stage you need to know, the time you need to register and start farming. So stick around to the end so you don't miss any important part of the video. But before we dive in, on this channel we talk different ways to make money online and share the latest updates in crypto. So if you're interested, consider to subscribe to this channel. Check the description section of this video and join my Telegram. So what is an airdrop? An airdrop is a distribution of a token to community members for free or in exchange for performing certain actions such as registering or completing social media tasks. So visit any website on your phone and type CryptoRank.io. Once you get to here, you see a lot of airdrop here. You see a lot of airdrop. Every 24 hours, you see a new airdrop, node project and the pin project. So you can see them every airdrop and their found and their stages. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you each stage you should be able to know before start with any project on this platform or anywhere. You can see that stage at anywhere. So the first stage we talk about is confirmed stage. So if confirmed, all right. So what does this confirm means? So if you see any project that it is on confirm stage, which means it is perfect time to start participating because it is official and ongoing. So it is a perfect time to start, right? So it is the time to start mining any project that it is on confirm stage. What about verification stage? So if you talk about verification stage of any project, you can see this project is sentient, right? Sentient. I don't know how you pronounce your own, by that's how. See this can be their native token, which is sent, right? So if you say verification, which means verification also means good stage to join. You can still participate before it get to crowd, right? Okay, so that is how verification also means. What does potential also means? If you say potential in if a certain project it is on its potential stage, what does it mean? Sorry. So if you say potential means too early, not confirmed. You can keep an eye on it, but don't waste effort yet, right? Okay, so that's how potential stage also means. The next stage also we talk about is reward. So if you see any project that it is on reward available stage, which means you can see this reward available, which means you can participate only if you had already joined earlier if you are new, it is usually too late, right? So you cannot start as a beginner or to start mining unless you are part of it, you are mining already. So that's how it is. So the last stage you should able to know, or the last stage we talk or we explain it about is distributed. I mean distributed, everyone know distributed. If you see any project that it is on its distributed stage, which means this token have been already shared to those the community, those mine the project, right? So that's how it is. So guys, this platform is very very important. It's very very also helpful. You can see airdrop dashboard, potential airdrop dashboard. You can explore the world of crypto airdrop, a dashboard for tracking crypto rewards. So guys, it's very very exclusive. This platform is very very it's very very good. So you can track any project you want, whether it is you can see pin AI here, you can see PAI here, you can see Arbitrum also is a project that is on, it is going on. You can see it is what is confirmed. You can start mining them right now. So guys, it's very last the last time I saw max here, MetaMax, right? You can switch to 3, 4, 5, 6 and other of page you like. So you can see potential, this is their status, their reward type, airdrop points, right? You can see this IRYS is their reward type is airdrop. You can see this also is a point, their minor point, their minor point. So it's very, very important. You can see rise or found 18 million from 90, right? Oh, it's very very important. And the minor score also it is here. So guys, you'll find this video interesting, consider to subscribe to this channel and check the link in the description section or comment section of the video. Enjoy our Telegram channel for further update like this. See you guys in my next video.